What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys the strategy I use to trade a small account, and this strategy I'm going to teach you guys how this strategy works and how everything works. So this strategy, I don't think if you can trade this strategy in all brokers, because your broker might ban you if you trade this kind of strategy in their platform, because this strategy is very super and active, called supply price flow strategy. That's the name of this strategy. So this strategy is a very naked chart strategy. You don't need any trend line, you don't need any supply and demand, much supply and demand. So all you just to know is to identify trend, and once you identify trend, you put your moving average. So the moving average I'm using here is the normal moving average, the exponential 21 moving average. That's just apply it open. Then once you apply it open, then what next you are going to do is to fish out the daily zones. So if you write here, you see that we have these two daily zones. We have the first one, this one, then this one has been tested. This one has been tested, although I don't know if price have tested it that much. Then the other one is this one that we are in right now, and which you can see that I have stack up trade right away. And without telling you, this is a $2 account. So I'm going to show you guys you can do it. I can flip $2 to any amount. Right now the dollar is very cost, so I'm doing this for those that don't have if you don't have much money to fund your account. With this strategy, I believe that you can make a fortune. So you don't really need to be greedy. If you can turn $2 to 20, 10, you just close up. So let me show you guys. So once you do that, you can see our markup. I have 1, 2 and 3 zones right away. So the next thing is to use your Fibonacci count, draw it from the daily high. This is my daily high to my daily low. So you see that price have retraced above 50%. So let me show you. Above 50% is right here. See, this is 61.8% above the price. So since price have touched 50%, price is going to react on this daily zone. So all we are going to do is to just stack up trade and see how price goes. So you don't need too much. You don't need much candle peep or much pips to catch in this strategy. All you just need is to just catch up to 30 pip or 20 pip. With the stacking up of the position, you make a good profit from it. So let's go. I'm going to hold up this trade to see how it goes. So let's go to 4 hours. So once you come to 4 hours, I'm going to delete this Fibonacci, and you see that we have a little zone that price is respecting here. This is a pure supply and demand strategy. A small zone price is respecting, and once we all go to our 1 hour time frame, you will see that we have this red bullish dropped candle above here. This red bullish drop candle above here, and this is the low that was broken. So all we're going to do is to mount our Fibonacci from this swing low to this, from this swing high to this swing low, and we see that price have retraced above 88.6 retracement of the Fibonacci. So what did I have to do is I have to place this green line. You first enter 0.02 in your first positions. Once you see that price have gone deep into that daily supply zones, just add up 2 positions, 0.02, and you can see that I add up 2 positions here. Then each gap you'll be given about 5 pip. 5 from here to here is 5 pip, from here to here is 5 pip, 5 pip, 5 pip, 5 pip. So stack up to 5 position, maybe 0. At the end 0.05, and you will see that this where price might reject. If price could be able to reach here, and before it reach here to about being 30 pip, then I'll close out the positions right away. So once you are through with that, all you get to do is to just go to your to enter this. All you need to do is go to your smaller time frame for confirmation, and you see that we have this first push in drop, then price starts coming in like lower, gradually, then push out this a low. So you're waiting for price to break a low. So price break this low, then retrace. That's where we stack up the 0.02 position. Then from there we give it all try, right? So you can see we are waiting patiently, even though this amount flip or it lose this $2 is not gonna hurt me, it's not gonna affect my life. I'm not gonna die for the small balance that went blue. So what if it goes to your favor? You see that you make a good amount of money. You can do this every day in your setup, on a daily setup, and make sure that you trade this on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday only, because that's when I know that price normally moves well than other Monday and Fridays. So let's see how this goes. We'll see you guys. I'll still keep you guys updated furthermore if price is still moving up. Alright guys, this 3:36 p.m. I just came back. I saw that market just took us out, and this is the remaining orders. That means it took only two more orders or three more orders plus the two I entered at the up, then rejected a little bit. I saw about 2 point something dollars profit. Then I just came back right now and it took me out. So we are hopeful to see the next zone reacts, and let's see what we can do. And hopefully with these strategies that you're not going to win all times, but once you win, you are going to make a lot of profit in it, because you are going to stack up trade in a way that once the market rejects, you get much profit times what you have lost. So this one was a bad trade. I'm hopeful that the next one will be a very good trade, a very, very good trade. So in a recap of this trade, you can see that this 5 minutes time frame, this right where I entered, and it dropped all the way to here trying to take this order. Then fortunately, I don't know if it was news or what, just spiked up and manipulated the zone. So right away, I can't do anything right now. All I have to do is to just relax and wait for a good new setup. So hopefully guys, this is the end of this video, and I'll be making more content about this. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at IpBoyles. Thank you. See you guys.